This is the site Bitsgap right here. You would basically create an account and you would sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. It is loading up Bitsgap. Again, that is the name of the website. So they have a couple of different bots that you can utilize. I've already been running bots on here, and that's what I wanted to show was my results based on what I've gotten or been able to accumulate. However, now I'm starting to run into an issue where I'm like, because it's still running on my phone, so I may have to continue this video on my phone because I don't think that the demo bots that I had running are gonna show on the actual show on the desktop. So, but just to kind of give an overview, there's a couple of different bots that you can utilize. There's a DCA bot. Again, a subscription is required. My subscription ran out to use these bots. So then you got the S bot, subscription required as well. You got the classic bot. The classic bot originally was a bot that was trading based off of the grid, and as you can see here, with moderate risk and a reward profile. The S bot is like an upgrade of the classic bot. It's considered the #1 bot for sideways channel market trading. So that's basically when the market is moving sideways. This bot is trading while the market is moving sideways. So this is also the DCA bot here, and that's a bot that trades on the rising and the falling of markets. You also have this combo bot here, which I believe is a new one. It looks like it's trading the futures bot using a combo of DCA and grid strategies. And then they have this scalper bot that's over here from, I guess, Qcoin. They say that it's a free HFT bot for ultra fast, small, and steady gains. So this is not a bot that I've tried. Yeah, it's not a bot that I've tried. And if you switch to the new version, those are the bots that are available. And if you the current version, I guess this is what's available. So I'm gonna try to exit out of this and see if I can find the bots that I was using on the demo to kind of show the results. I believe I was running the classic grid bot. So we'll see how that goes. So I exit out of here. Let's see. Okay. Here's the demo of couple last closing points on this Bitsgap bot. So I've only run BNB, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Ethereum was taking a very heavy loss. I closed those bots a while back. I think here we go. You can actually see here. So the change in Ethereum was pretty crazy. I guess that's with the merge and everything that was going on. But it was tripping out on me, and the bot only profited, as you can see, $15. BTC or Bitcoin did pretty okay, but I just felt like the bot profit was pretty slow. But I ended up closing this out because the change was positive and the bot profit was positive. This Ethereum ended up losing money. Let me just make sure that the Bitcoin didn't end up losing money. And that's where, again, like, I'm still kind of testing this out, just because it's a little weird how it's like reading it out, or how it has the data displayed. Oh, I think I remember. I think I closed this Bitcoin, this position in Bitcoin instead of closing it in USDC. So I think that's why there was a discrepancy, because as you can see here, or actually, I guess maybe I did make funds, because the initial funds was 528 and then ended up closing, because I guess the current funds would have been when I closed. So I ended up making $20, and I guess that's because Bitcoin was going up, and then also because of the bot profit being $4.39. If I have that wrong, please let me know. Please let me know. As you can see here, the dip and the initial funds were right there. So as you can see, 228, 27. So I'm not about to calculate all that now. As far as like USDC or USDT, and the dollar, everything is up. So that's what I'm seeing is kind of what still needs to be tested on my end is just, or it needs to be made sure it's accounted for, is, you know, making sure that the base asset is not depreciating and you're not closing the position while the base currency is depreciating, because then you will lose money. But as far as the bot and the profit made with the bots, I was just extremely impressed, and will definitely be using this. So really pleased to see that. Again, Ethereum, if we open this up, took quite a bit of a loss. So as you can see, we were up, started out $487, ended up closing with $432, $54 loss. The bot ended up making $15, but that's what you kind of got there. And then you can see ETH just really dropped on us. So again, just making sure that let's see, you even kind of see here. So this is something I got to dig a little bit more into, just to make sure that what I'm thinking this is reading out is actually what's going on. So yeah, so overall just a loss on the USDT, loss on the USD, which is, you know, marking the same, and that's probably because, you know, again, Ethereum dipped on down. So, and in all of these too, you can see the chart, so you can see like where the positions happened via the chart and where they closed out at, which I think is pretty cool. You can see the same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was a position that, or a bot that was selling down. It wasn't a long bot, and I guess I started this ADA but actually didn't go through with it. That was a DCA bot. And then here was another Bitcoin bot that I guess was going in the opposite direction. As you can see, the bot actually lost money on this. So that's interesting. I didn't see that. But also on this bot, and I remember this when Bitcoin was going down in the same way Ethereum was going down, I had shorted the bot and ended up getting this. And so you can see here it generated $31.99. So overall, I don't really recall this right here. I guess it only lasted, I only used this for 7 minutes. So I think it had to have been at the same time. Yeah, on the 3rd. And this is when they were closed. So yeah, so I think I had started to, you know, grab the same kind of Ethereum bot, but then noticed Ethereum and Bitcoin were going down at the same time, and then switched it to a bot that would short Bitcoin. And as you can see, the bot ended up trading better comparative to losing $13.42. So yeah, I feel like these bots with Bitsgap is pretty promising. This is not an endorsement. I'm not sponsored by Bitsgap, although I do have an affiliate link that you can see or find in the description below. If you like videos like this, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like the video. It helps the video go out in the algorithm. I'm going to be doing more videos like this because this is just a time in the world. If you know what that means, then you know what that means. So I hope that this video was able to bring you guys some sort of value. I would highly recommend trying these bots out and seeing what they can do for you, how you like it. Again, these bots do allow you to connect to basically to your own, like wherever you hold your crypto, and it will trade your idle crypto assets in your account via API, which is really cool. So that's why I suggest checking it out, testing it out. Results are not proof of future, whatever. Yeah, get the bag, trade or die. Wi-Fi bread.